Are you excited? Yes, let's go! So, in Jumbo Coloring 1, again we are going to color something. So we are going to color this picture of trees and some snow. It's a sun too. So, with which color we can color? With brush pens, with color pencils or 50 shades or pastels. I think we are going to do shading, so we need oil pastels. So let's color with the oil pastels. Let's get started. So I have this oil pastel to do shading, and then I have tissue paper too. Then I will mix the colors. So let's get started. So to color the trees, I have these 4 shades. So for shading, you need to do in one. You need to give the color in the one direction. Keep it in your mind. Then it will look so nice. The picture will be so pretty. So I am going to mix these colors with the tissue. Now all trees are done. So it's complete. The shading is a lot of mountains and the sun, the clouds, the trees, the grass. So how it's looking? Looking nice? So if you like this drawing, please click on like and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.